Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making this DIY Muichiro phone case, and yeah, it turned out really good, and I'm going to be teaching you how I made this. You just need a transparent phone case and some paper to draw on. Alright, so let's get started. So the reference I used here was this drawing from Google, and I'll tag the channel that created it. So yeah, make sure your drawing is going to be fitting in your phone case so you can measure that beforehand. And yeah, now we're gonna color it a little bit and outline, and now fill in the blues of Muichiro. I forgot to add the button, so I'm just gonna draw that. And yeah, now the finishing touches, we colored his hair and his uniform, and it's ready. So as you can see, I have the Muichiro figurine, and yeah, the drawing turned out pretty well. Yeah, I'm just gonna flex that. Let's cut it out. Alright, so now I cut it out, and as you can see, it fits well onto my phone. And now I'm going to be using these stickers that I won at the arcade to decorate my phone case, because yeah. Wow, this part, it took me a while because it was hard to get the phone case onto the phone after I was done putting the cutout and the stickers. I found these butterfly stickers pretty cute. Now it's all done. Dang, this turned out pretty good, and yeah, it really looks good as you can see, and it's actually really easy to make. It'll take you maybe 30 minutes. If it depends on how long you take to draw the cutout of Muichiro. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and make sure to like and subscribe and comment down below if you want me to make other types of drawings or phone case designs. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Bye!